Welcome back to another video, family members. Hope all are doing great.
Good evening, viewers. I hope all are doing great and fine. Abdan sobke mera channel te welcome kore ase. High Court Guwahati High Court pura ekta update digina ase aro itu update to bishi viral ja ase. Here it says Guwahati High Court Kohima bench has quashed the appointment of 935 Nagaland police constable, citing irregularities in the appointment made between January 18 and October 19. The Guwahati High Court Kohima bench has quashed the appointment of 935 Nagaland police constables, citing irregularities in the appointment which were made between January 2018 and October 2019. So update to enikaro further ase Justice Devashish Barua taipara ko ase ki tala verdict to enika daishe. The order came in response to right petition filed by a number of unemployed youth challenging the mode of appointment made by the state government without public advertisement. The petitioner described the appointment as a backdoor appointment and their selection was arbitrary. So youth khan me enika beshi complain korise ki takala selection ditu procedure pura thaka nai aru backdoor appointment enika thaise koina tan enika number of candidate khan lai tu appointment khan tu ban kodise tan itu koise ki itu thik rules and regulation pura appoint kora nohoy. Itu to 935 Nagaland police la constable ase, Nagaland police constable aru itu Guwahati High Court bench pura enika appointment tu tahan la cancel kodise koina itu ekta first update apnen ke short pura janai dibo pare ase. Viewers, second update to enika ase Nagaland la Dimapur la MGM College tahan enika itu graduation day celebrate korina ase. MGM College Dimapur celebrated its third graduation ceremony on Saturday in the college auditorium, attended by C. Kanglong, our former director of higher education, as a guest of honor. According to a press release, Kalong, delivering the keynote address, emphasized the theme going the extra mile and share his personal and professional experience that shaped his journey as an educator and encourage the graduate to aim higher and pursue excellence in every aspect of their life. As a part of the ceremony, graduates were honored with certificate and mementos in recognition of their academic achievement, and also the other topper like Im Song was named as a college topper. So update inga taishe MGM College tahan inga function organize korise student khan karne tahan ke inga memento khan aro tahan graduation kora nam pora tahan garde inga ekta program honor kurbo karne tahan ke felicitate kurbo karne inga organize kurina asiguna aru itu update ekta short apnen ke janai dibo pare ase.